Hello everyone, this video will be about the recent Mpox epidemic and everything you need to know. Mpox, previously known as Monkeypox, is a viral disease that was first discovered in 1958. Scientists had found an outbreak of a pox-like disease that occurred in monkeys kept in research. That's why it was originally called monkeypox. But in 1970, the first human case was recorded in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since then, there have been numerous outbreaks. So, how do you get Mpox? The transmission of Mpox happens from close person-to-person contact with someone who already has Mpox. This can be through skin-to-skin contact such as touching or sex, also through mouth-to-mouth or mouth-to-skin contact such as kissing. It can also be from face-to-face contact through talking or breathing close to someone infected due to the creation of infectious respiratory particles, so don't be yapping if you're infected. People who have multiple sexual partners, cheeky, have the highest risk of contracting and spreading the disease. The best way to prevent this is to not participate in these activities. I repeat, do not participate in these activities with someone infected or if you are infected. The symptoms of Mpox usually start 1 to 21 days after infection and typically last for 2 to 4 weeks. This means that it has a relatively large window to be spread by someone who doesn't show any symptoms of the disease. It's always good to be careful. The common symptoms of Mpox are rash, fever, sore throat, headache, muscle aches, back pain, low energy, and swollen lymph nodes. Some people can have skin lesions located on their palms of their hands and soles of their feet, their faces, mouths, throat, genital area, groin, and anus. Treatment for Mpox. There is no proven effective antiviral treatment for Mpox, which is unfortunate, but what is currently being administered is supportive care for Mpox victims. This mainly consists of alleviating pain, caring for the rash, preventing further complications. It's best to tackle symptoms as soon as possible, as leaving them untreated could lead to a fatal outcome. Vaccines are being administered in areas where Mpox has a high occurrence, such as the Democratic Republic of Congo. Recently, the EU donated 100,000 Mpox vaccines to the Democratic Republic of Congo, which will help prevent this occurrence of Mpox becoming a global pandemic. The better news is that most people recover from Mpox after 2 to 4 weeks. Now for the science behind the Mpox virus. Mpox is a viral zoonotic disease, meaning it has jumped from only affecting animals to affecting humans. It belongs to the poxvirus genus and poxviridae family. Vertebrates, including humans, arthropods, and mammals, are natural hosts for these types of viruses. The Mpox virus has a genome that is approximately 190 kilobytes, and its shape is oval with a lipoprotein outer membrane. The lipoprotein outer membrane protects the DNA, enzymes, and transcription factors which are all needed for the virus to replicate. When the virus infects the eukaryotic cell, it replicates using the host cell's cytoplasm instead of the nucleus. The Mpox virus is relatively large, which makes it difficult for it to penetrate the host cell's defenses. The virus's large size makes it more difficult for the virus to replicate quickly, so it's harder for it to dodge the victim's immune response. Because of this, the virus has evolved over millions of years mechanisms that help it buy time for replication to occur. How does replication occur? Firstly, replication occurs in the cytoplasm, which is uncommon as most viruses replicate in the nucleus. The rough endoplasmic reticulum of the host cell is hijacked and to create factories. These factories are where viral mRNA transcription and translation occurs. These factories allow for the DNA replication, gene expression, and assembly of mature virions to happen within the host cell. Mpox virus mature virions, MVs, combined into the cell surface with the help of viral proteins. Virus entry into the host cell plasma membrane is dependent on neutral pH, otherwise entry occurs through a low pH dependent endocytic route. The mature virions of the monkeypox virus have an entry fusion complex, EFC, allowing it to enter the host cell after attachment. The viral mRNA is translated into structural virion proteins by the host ribosomes. Gene expression starts when the Mpox virus releases viral proteins and enzymatic factors that disable the cell. Although mature virions are infectious, they remain inside the cell until transported from viral factories to the Golgi/endosomal compartment. During protein synthesis, the endoplasmic reticulum membrane of the factory disassembles, while small lipid bilayer membranes form around the genomes of the new virions, now known as extracellular viruses, EVs. The VPS52 and the VPS54 genes of the GARP complex are crucial for transport, are required for wrapping the virus and forming extracellular viruses. DNA concatenaments process viral genomes along with other enzymes and genetic information necessary for replication. Extracellular viruses play a vital role in spreading the virus between cells and facilitating long-distance transmission. Hi, I just wanted to say thank you for watching my first ever video. If you found the content useful and entertaining or learned something new, please like the video and subscribe. I will continue to post more content like this regularly, and the more support, the more frequent and higher quality the videos are going to be. Thank you so much. Bye bye.